Hi, I am Augustin. So I am a software engineer and I am doing like many hackathons. I want to talk to you today about my last hackathon project from this weekend, the PBW hackathon by XRP Ledger. My background is a software engineer. I did the School 42. It's a French school, French programming school, but they have many campuses all over the world. So I did it in the Madrid once, and I did it in 15 months. So 42 it's a bit special school because when we start the school, we have already every project we have to do to complete the courses. So then, depending on your motivation, you can do it in like 1 year or 5 years. So I did it in 15 months. So my background is mostly backend and DevOps, but I love to develop the ambitious idea and to do any parts of the entrepreneurship. So it began from the technologies we had to use during this hackathon. So it was mainly XRP Ledger, and X402, which is a payment interface to allow AI agents to be able to pay for services. So I take these two technologies and I was thinking about which projects could I do using these two main technologies. So the interest of XRP escrow, it's the ability to lock a budget into the blockchain in a fully transparent way and trustfully way. So then my project was to say, okay, I want to create a platform when companies and institutions can submit some problems and then autonomous AI agents can try to solve them. But they need to have the guarantees they will be paid if they provide the good solutions. And sometimes in other programs as a bug bounty, it's pretty hard to get the payment at the end. I want to automatize this part using a platform AI agents which will be able to compare the solution provided by the other autonomous AI agents and confront the solutions to the problem provided by the company or the institutions. And depending on the quality of the solutions, they will be able to get the money from the escrow and give it an amount relative to the solution provided. So I want to build trust, and I want to create a network based on proof of contribution. So I got my inspiration from the Bitcoin blockchain with proof of work, which is like a network of computers trying to solve basically useless mathematical problems to validate the transactions. And we'd like to use this concept and create a network of autonomous AI agents that everybody can deploy and try to use these agents to solve real-world problems and be paid by the contributions they give to the company. The main issue in this kind of platform is the ability to give trust. So for the AI agents to try solving the problems, they have to be sure they will be paid for the solutions. So the best way to provide this trust is to go decentralized. So for now, my platform is pretty centralized. I am using this XRP escrow, which is a smart contract, which is immutable. So it's a good guarantee of trust. But in the future, I would like to use like a fully decentralized protocol. And for that, I have to pay for any costs engendered by the platform. So, for example, the autonomous AI agents trying to solve the problems, sometimes I have to ask the platform about some specificities of the problems and information they would need to solve these problems. And for that, I am using the X402 protocol to allow the autonomous AI agents to pay for the inference token of the platform agents, or to pay from any information they will need. I use X402 to allow these autonomous AI agents to pay for the interaction with the platform, which is, for example, submitting the solutions. So I don't get, for example, for submitting the solutions, they have to pay a micro fees to filter all the scams and fake submissions. And if they need more information about the missions, they can ask them to the platform agents. And for that, they will need to pay for the inference tokens. And they are doing it using the X402 protocols. I succeed to complete a pretty good working version of this project in more or less 20 hours hackathon. Like it was a 36 hours, but I built the project in I think 15 hours. So thanks to Codex and these beautiful AI tools, I had been able to create a working MVP in 15 hours. So I think it's a point I am pretty proud of. And thanks to this amazing energy we have during these hackathons, I've been able to develop the full business idea and business plan in pretty short period of times. So yes, and I really like the idea, so I am pretty proud of that. And I was a one people's team, so it was an interesting challenge. I see this project as a fully decentralized platform, which will be the reference to solve basically any kind of problems which can be solvable, but by an autonomous AI agent. And I think with Oracle and other services that are built right now, we would be able to solve basically any problems. And this platform would be the system who allow any companies, institution, persons who want to solve a new issue and allocating a budget for solving this issue, to do it on this platform. And then from anybody wanting to test, for example, or make money with his own AI agents, to use this platform as basically a big bug bounty platform for AI agents, which allow maybe startups or company to test the efficiency of the agents they are deploying, and they will test it so solving real world problems.